What's up to all of my YouTubers? There is something in my water. Hey, come here. Sorry, y'all. But there's something in my water. I don't know what it is floating. No, y'all can see that, right? I'm like that. Give me some. Or just give me your cup now. Sorry, y'all. But like I said, today is Sunday. Happy Sunday. All my YouTubers, welcome to the Diamond Empire. If you're new, welcome, welcome, welcome. If you're not new to the Empire, welcome back. Today is Sunday. 2 more days for the election. I know I got my red shirt on. That's for Georgia Bulldogs. Only I'm not a fucking Republican. I hate Republicans. Don't stand for Donald Trump. Don't like him. Yes, I'm going to talk about Joe Biden today in the election because we need him in the White House. We do need him in the White House. So, today, two more days to the election. Not a Republican. I'm a Democrat. I want Joe Biden in the chair. Today we got on this plate. Today we got boiled chicken with some rice, onions, some pepper, garlic powder, put all that in the rice with this chicken, and we got water today. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe to the video. Let's get into it. Amen, y'all. We'll get into it today. But yes, I am talking about the election. I'm talking about whatever Trump has said and I heard, and I'm fed up with it. I know you can vote who you want to vote for. That is your forte and who you want to vote for. I know that. But it's now time for a change. It's time to make America, well, how you say it, make America great again. But I want us to feel better. Joe Biden is the candidate. Joe Biden is the president. Joe Biden's going to be the man. Kamala Harris, she is the girl for the job. So y'all, please get out there and vote your tails off. Hold on. I can look at my food while I do this real quick. That's my food, y'all. Y'all can see it. But back to me. Yeah, we had it now. Put my phone on do not stir because I don't want nobody to see me. I don't want to. So you've got the onion in here, rice, chicken, salt, pepper, garlic powder, all that. That's the onion right there. So we got two men going against each other. President Donald Trump and former Vice President Joe Biden. And they're going up against each other. I'm not knocking Donald Trump because he had a strategy, but I hope that Joe Biden just go to the stage and just win. I just want him to win. If we win the election, that means we spoke up. We made ourselves heard. Our votes was heard. It was a matter of time that we all should get together. Pandemic going on. There's so much sadness going on because our Black African American men and our Black African American kings and queens are dying from the people that we thought that could protect and serve and help us out, but they're killing us. And it's sad that we have a president in the White House that don't give a damn about us. This man sits on his throne and just look at us. Even he look at his supporters like they're nothing. Why y'all up there trying to make rallies and on boats with Donald Trump. He does not care about you. He does not care. So on November 3rd, if you're not already voted, November 3rd, make your voice heard. If you're over the age of 18, make your voice heard. Stop sitting in the house and saying, I want to change, but you can vote and make that change. If you're tired of it, do something about it. And that's where your vote come in at. Do something about it. I know me and my entire whole family going for Joe Biden. I'm sorry, Trump. You don't have no support of me or my whole family. We don't support you. And I'm just being honest. I don't like you. I don't like what you stand for. I don't like your message you brought to America. You are America. You are United States of America downfall. And I'm going to say it out loud. You have trying to run our country as like you running a business or you on the Celebrity Apprentice, one of your shows I know about. America not like that. If you're going to run our country, run it right. If not, get the fuck out of the White House. And that's the only thing I'm saying. I'm not trying to be rude or nothing, but that's how I feel at this point. This man playing with our country like he playing with Monopoly, like he playing with a board game. That's not how you play. And your supporters, they're so in denial. They know you a bad president, but they're scared to tell you. But there's a man that would play this country. Bill Clinton did it. Barack Obama did it. We need somebody like them too. And that's where Joe Biden come in. Joe Biden would not play with America like Monopoly. They literally had to beg this president of the United States there. Just to show your tax returns. This man ain't show your tax returns. And y'all like him talking about it was Trump. Them people don't care about y'all. We won't wild about that. That's normal now. He don't care about y'all. He doesn't care about America. That's when we come in. As an American. We come in as an American. Changing this whole nation. If you want Trump out, November the 3rd, get him out. Vote his ass out. Because it's time. It's time to wake up, America. It's time. It's time to stop feeling the cops complaining about it. You got to change. You got an opportunity out there. Make it happen. Because I know I sure am. My vote. I've been getting inboxes in my inboxes. I've been getting my inbox that don't vote at all. Your vote don't count. My vote does count. My vote does count. And that's why November 3rd on Tuesday morning, I will be getting my butt up and going to vote. Yeah, I don't care. People try to keep their secret. I'm voting for every Democratic I see on that ballot, I'm voting for. Even down to the president. If you don't like it, sue me. I'm proud to say I'm an African American. I'm proud to say I'm part of the greatest country of all. But if we got 4 more years in the chair with Donald Trump, fuck it, I'm moving to Canada. I will not stand 4 more years of this. And the ones that have not done 4 more years, 4 more years, 4 more years of what? Another Adolf Hitler. 4 more years of that. 4 more years of war, hate, pain, suffering. You want 4 more years of that? That tell you how fast you are. This world is chaotic. In chaos, confusion, confliction, and it's only because of one man, Donald J. Trump. This man here, he doesn't care. And then he care about the next $1 million he's gonna spend. He said, and I watched him on some shit. He said the dumbest thing I ever heard in my life. This man, I have no clue what he's doing in that White House. Not one clue. You say the dumbest shit I ever heard in my life. Or another new start. You got them vote like the last opinion on it. You out there and vote like no tomorrow. Stand for what you believe in. Stand for what you believe in. There is hope. We have hope. America is strong. Let's build back better. Go out there and vote for Joe Biden, Kamala Harris. They need your vote more than ever. If we're gonna win, we're gonna win strong. We're gonna finish this. Donald Trump is not the answer. And you guys know it. That's why I put all my hope and my trust and my faith in Joe Biden and Kamala Harris. They're gonna get the job done. Let's make the White House great again. Let's use his words against him. Let's make our America great again. But he clearly doesn't have a brain in the world to make it like that. The people behind Trump are sick and disgusting. I despise everything about his campaign, his administration. They're disgusting. And they look at him and knowing that he's disgusting. I speak my mind how I speak it. You don't like it, you know what you do. Joe Biden is the answer. Joe Biden is our peace of mind. Go to bed at night knowing that we can sleep and the president is making our country great. Donald Trump, we just back in the same old routine. November 3rd is what we got to do. November 3rd got to make our voice count. November 3rd, it's time to vote Donald J. Trump out of the White House and put Joe Biden in there. I know I'm going to stop here. But let's build back better. November 3rd, Joe Biden, Kamala Harris is the way to go. I want you guys to please like on the video, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. 2 more days for the election. Let's build back better. Joseph Biden, Kamala Harris. Let's finish this race. Let's win this election. In the words of Barack Obama, yes, we can. I love y'all. Thank you guys for so much of my support. 253 subscribers. Now we're moving on up, and let's make it some more. I love y'all. November 3rd, y'all. Go out here and vote.